All right, so let me tell you about something I recently discovered that's honestly kind of mind-blowing. The salt trick. Yeah, I know it sounds super random, but hear me out. This simple little hack has been a total game changer for me. I've always been skeptical about quick fixes or tricks, but I decided to give this one a try because honestly, why not? It's natural, takes like 15 seconds, and doesn't require you to completely change your life. The results? Insane. My energy is through the roof, I feel more confident, and it's helped me in ways I didn't even expect. The best part? It's not some gimmicky product or complicated process. It's just about using salt in a very specific way to boost blood flow and improve circulation. And trust me, it works. If you're curious and want to see how it's done, let me tell you the salt trick is complicated and hard to get right. So we created a simpler, more powerful solution, Nitrox Pro. Click the first link in the description and check it out now. Don't miss out on this. Nitrox Pro might just surprise you like it did for me. Try it today and let me know how it works for you. Hurry, stock is running low and this opportunity won't last forever.